Pairing your iPhone or Android device to a 2010 to 2019 Lexus GX460 involves using the Lexus infotainment system. These models support Bluetooth versions 2.1 to 4.0, primarily for hands-free calling and audio streaming. First, enable Bluetooth on your phone by going to your settings and turning it on. In your GX460, access the Setup menu on the infotainment screen by pressing the Setup button. Select Bluetooth from the menu, then choose Add Device. The system will scan for nearby Bluetooth devices. Choose your phone from the list of available devices. Confirm the PIN code, which is usually 0000 or 1234, on both your phone and the GX460 screen. While both iPhones and Android phones follow the same basic pairing process, there are key differences in their integration features. iPhones utilize handoff technology for tighter integration, allowing seamless transitions of calls and music between your phone and other Apple devices. Android devices, on the other hand, often support advanced audio codecs like aptX, aptX HD, and aptX Adaptive, which can provide higher quality audio streaming compared to standard Bluetooth. Both platforms work well with the Lexus GX460, but your choice may depend on whether you prefer seamless Apple ecosystem integration or superior audio quality options. If you're having trouble pairing your phone with the Lexus GX460, start by checking the most common issues. The phone needs to be within 10 to 15 feet of the car to maintain a stable connection. Bluetooth range depends on the device class. Most phones are Class 2 with about 33 feet range, while the car's system typically matches this. Avoid interference from other wireless devices nearby. For pairing problems, delete old pairings from your phone's Bluetooth settings. On Android, go to Settings, Bluetooth, and forget the car device. Then delete the old pairing from the car's system through the infotainment menu. Access Setup, Bluetooth, and remove the device. Finally, check for Lexus firmware updates at a service center, as software patches can fix pairing glitches. Remember, the GX460 can store up to 5 paired devices, but prioritizes the most recent. Some GX460 owners report Bluetooth stability issues, including disconnections during drives or pairing failures. These problems often stem from outdated firmware in the Inform system. To address this, visit your Lexus service center for free firmware updates. These updates have been shown to reduce pairing failures by up to 20% and include security patches for potential vulnerabilities. The updates are delivered over the air or at the dealership, ensuring your vehicle's Bluetooth system remains reliable and secure. Many 2010-2019 GX460s lack native wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto support. They require wired connections for advanced features. Consider aftermarket adapters from brands like Alpine or Pioneer. Priced from $50 to $150, these enable wireless connectivity. Many Lexus GX460 owners have successfully upgraded their infotainment systems for better wireless connectivity. A popular solution is installing the Pioneer DMH WC6600NX head unit, which enables seamless wireless Android Auto integration. Similar upgrades can add both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wirelessly. Owners report faster connection times and fewer disconnections compared to stock systems. Beyond hardware upgrades, many disconnection issues are resolved through firmware updates provided by Lexus dealers. These updates improve Bluetooth stability and security without requiring major modifications. The automotive industry is rapidly advancing towards seamless wireless integration, with emerging technologies like ultra-wideband for more precise and secure pairing. However, older models such as the Lexus GX460 will primarily rely on software updates for continued Bluetooth support. Lexus has committed to phased software support until 2030 through over-the-air updates, which could potentially introduce wireless capabilities without requiring hardware modifications. Major hardware changes remain unlikely for these established models. Key future trends include Bluetooth Low Energy for improved battery efficiency, AI-driven auto pairing to simplify connections, and adoption of energy-efficient Bluetooth standards like version 5.3 and beyond.